रहीम अस्सलाम वालेकुम जी। मैं अपनी एक और नई वीडियो के साथ आपकी खिदमत में हाजिर हूँ। इस वीडियो में जो जॉब शेयर करूँगी वो जॉब आई थी डॉन संडे सितंबर 17, 2023 के अखबार में। ये जॉब है अकाउंट्स वालों के लिए। अ लीडिंग कंपनी रिक्वायर्स अकाउंट ऑफिसर कैंडिडेट, ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है मेल/फीमेल, ब्रैकेट क्लोज, शुड बी कॉमर्स ग्रेजुएट with 3 to 5 years experience. Candidate must be able to maintain books of accounts on computerized accounting system along with basic sales tax and income tax knowledge and also proficient with MS Excel. Please apply with recent passport size photograph indicating expected salary to the address 6 Bangalore Town, Sharai Faisal, or email career@thermic.com.pk. A renowned woven garments manufacturing company located at Korangi Industrial Area requires 5 years experienced. Senior Accounts Manager, email amamatraders365@gmail.com. amamatraders365@gmail.com. A reputable company requires a finance manager with at least 3 years of experience in manufacturing concerns with professional accounting qualifications. Interested candidate can WhatsApp their CV/resume to 0300 054434 0300 05442234 and 0300 054462 0300 054462. Accountant required for manufacturing company in Excel for account manage, minimum 40,000 salary plus commission. Send CV and Osaka OSAAKA box Osaka box @gmail.com, bracket near jail Chorangi, bracket close. Accounts assistant required. Factory located at site area requires account assistant who must be commerce graduate having at least 2 years experience of accountancy and bookkeeping and should be computer literate. Candidate may apply through email at tube@livemails.net/tube@cyber.net.pk. Required account person, men and women 27 to 38 years old. Personnel having experience 3 to 5 years. Excel sheets, Word sheets and QuickBook for account and invoice working for building material company. Handsome package. Bungas BUNGAS Bungash inspiring @gmail.com. BUNGASH Bungash inspiring @gmail.com. Cashier is required having more than 5 years experience. Qualification BCom and computer literate. Job code bracket AE1104 bracket close. Number 2 team leader, account department, having 2 years experience in banking, reporting and financial statement. Qualification ACCA BBA and BCom. Job code bracket AE-1105 bracket close. Number 3 store in charge is required. 3 to 4 years experience. Qualification BCom and inventory controller course, expert in MS Office. Job code bracket AE-1106 bracket close. Send your CV with recent photograph and mention job code in subject at email hrkhi@azamtelesources.com hrkhi@azam telesources sources.com. Telephone number 0213537161 02135371621223. Required accountant with 3 to 4 years of relevant experience. Email CV hopekarachi@gmail.com. Mention position in the subject line. Contact 0213223930 0213223930. एक और PTCL नंबर है 0213224889 0213224889. Required senior accountant with 6 to 8 years of relevant experience. MBA/ACCA/CA preferred. Email CV hopekarachi@gmail.com. Mention position in the subject line. Contact 0213223930 0213223930. एक और PTCL नंबर है 0213224889, 0213224889। Computer/IT, the Kidney Center Postgraduate Training Institute, a leading hospital, invites applications from interested and suitably qualified candidates to fill the following position: Head of MIS Department/Technical Lead. The applicant will be responsible for analyzing, maintaining and managing applications and their development through all phases of the system development life cycle. Should have a BS or MS degree in computer science with at least 8 years of working experience in NET, CH/MVC, LINQ and SQL Server. Must have knowledge of information security and control structures, architecture of complex systems, common design patterns, version control systems ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है GIT. Must be familiar with the latest industry standards ब्रैकेट I.E, softwares, tools, equipment and procedures ब्रैकेट close. TKC provides market attractive salary along with benefits. Interested candidates can apply by sending their CVs to careers@kidneycenter.com latest by 25th September 2023. A publishing house is actively looking for a senior graphic designer with expertise in Adobe InDesign, Illustrator, Photoshop, Corel Draw and InPage. Must have experience in page setting and layout. Email your CV at sales@kifayatpublishers.com. Data entry workers reporting, voucher issue experience in engineering. E10 site near telephone exchange. WhatsApp only 0307022395. 0307022395. ISO certified manufacturing, exporting, importing and inducting company at Korangi industrial area bracket near Brooks Chorangi bracket close. Immediately requires experienced inverted commas में लिखा हुआ है IT executive, familiar with bracket software, hardware and networking, troubleshooting, installation and maintenance on server and stand-alone systems bracket close. Minimum age 35 years. MS Office proficiency is a must. Candidate at least 10 years experience. Command on English language, typing speed 40 and can join immediately. Send CV and recent photograph along with obtaining and expected salary to Minwal BUSS@hotmail.com. Minwal Buzz BUSS@hotmail.com. Engineering की जॉब है. Delta Power Solar is looking for solar engineers having 1 to 2 years experience with DAE/BTech/electrical background. Email resume at hr.deltapowers@gmail.com. Competent technicians immediately required by Progressive Engineering Firm. DAE/BTech bracket electrical/mechanical/chemical/civil bracket close. Well versed in engineering construction works including plastic and metal pipe, network laying, trenching, conduiting and cabling, pumps, compressors and associated equipment installation etc. with minimum 4 years of experience. Preferably in oil and gas and water supply projects. Capability to read and implement construction drawings is a must. Those having safety related certifications and driving license holders preferred. Good communication skills. Willingness to travel throughout the country required. Apply tekjobs.pk@gmail.com. Environmental geologist urgently required. BS/MSc in geology with 3 to 5 years experience of soil hydrology and hydrogeology field works including surveying soil and construction materials, resourcing, sampling and testing, drilling and logging and well installations required. Project management, assessment and report writing skills. Trainings in HS&E facility in use of modeling and simulation software. Portable digital instrumentation are preferred attributes. Excellent remunerations and career prospects. Apply 875.technical@gmail.com. 875.technical@gmail.com. A well-reputed engineering company urgently requires number 1 industrial engineers, preferably with a master's degree having a 3-year services sector background in resource planning, costing, monitoring and assessment of industrial projects and processes. Number 2, chemical engineers with a master's degree in environmental or chemical engineering with a minimum of 3 years work experience in process, energy or environmental engineering. Number 3, health, safety and environment engineers, BE/BS/BTech or ME/MS bracket chem /civil ENV/MECH/IND bracket close with 3 years experience of supervision monitoring of HSE aspects in field works. Holders of certifications such as IOSH, NEBOSH, OHSAS, OSHA, ISO 14001 are preferred. All the candidates must possess strong engineering and analytical skills to devise robust engineering solutions. They must have excellent English bracket में लिखा हुआ है O/A levels bracket close, language and technical report writing skills, proficiency in computers and professional design software is also required. Excellent prospects apply. Career jobs CAREER pro@gmail.com. A leading and largest transport company requires maintenance supervisor, BE bracket mechanical bracket close or diploma in automobile engineering, 5 to 10 years work experience in heavy duty vehicle maintenance workshop, able to manage and plan vehicle maintenance, preventive, periodical, regular and spot, good writing and communication skills. With computer literacy, please send your CVs at the following email address: currentjobs786@gmail.com. Current jobs786@gmail.com. Joint venture opportunity for authorized geotechnical engineer in Karachi based company. We are looking for joint venture with geotechnical engineer who is authorized and licensed for signing of geotechnical soil testing reports and witness the drilled samples and its testing in laboratory. We as a company have consultancy license in civil engineering from Pakistan Engineering Council with relevant course and also soil testing laboratory license from SBCA bracket Sindh Building Control Authority bracket close. Submit your CV at info@gngengineer.com or WhatsApp at 03122769796 03122769796. Required experienced/qualified staff for a well-known brand as below. Number 1, installation/PLC programming technician/engineers, 2 years experience on Siemens PLC. .CV complete details, recent photos/expected salary. Electromech at electromech.com. Address B for Brown B88 Block 1 Kulistani Johar. PTCL number है 021-340-24514 021-340-24514. एक और PTCL नंबर है 340-24515 340-24515. एक और PTCL नंबर है 340-24516. जी ये तो थी मेरी आज की वीडियो. अगर मेरी वीडियो आप लोगों को पसंद आई हो तो मेरी वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा. इस वीडियो के लिए इतना ही. अल्लाह हाफिज़.